Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the lot, and I don't know where he is. I'm bleeding a little bit. I think 1277. I'm so sorry. I don't know off the top of my head.
You said, and that's his younger brother?
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get away from it.
Okay, that's fine. 'Cause you keep moving so much. So I'm not.
It's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
Okay. He did stab you with a knife, though?
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Okay. You sound freaked out, too.
He has been, apparently, I took away ether or something. He's like huffing something. I don't know what it is. I have it in a bag in my part of the apartment.
Okay.
I am so sorry. I am really freaked out right now.
No, that's fine. I'm just trying to get where you are. That's it.
Okay.
I have you over on Spring Creek Drive. Is that right?
Operator sucks, though. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You could say a little bit more, comforting words rather than telling them, "Oh, it's fine. I'm just trying to see where you at." You freaking out and shit. I feel like the response could have been a little bit different, in order to cater to what he's going through, because he's fucked up right now.
Yeah, it's like an apartment complex in Bellevue, Tennessee.
Hey, what is it? 1276?
Yeah.
It's this one right here.
I would have had my gun already. I would have been right here on my tip. Well, I'm ready. As soon as he popped out, he's about to pop out. He's gonna do something stupid. I feel like I'm playing Outlast.
Metro Police! You said 1276 or 1277. Really verify that.
21 Charles to 20 Boy. Can you reconfirm the apartment number?
Lock the door. Call 77.
10-4. It's maybe up above one. Man, I don't know where Stoney's at.
Yeah. Hey! Stop! Stop right now! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Hold on.
Yeah. Hey! Stop! Stop right now!
Nah, they didn't have to fucking shoot him, bro. So just fuck the taser, huh? Just fuck the taser?
Yeah. Hey! Stop! Stop right now!
I don't know how I feel, bro. Part of me is like, bro, they didn't have to shoot him. He could have tased him. He easily could have tased him, bro. But at the same time, you running down the stairs at the police with a knife. So what the fuck you expect? And you just cut your little brother. Or you held the knife up to your little brother. But then his brother said he was having like a mental episode or something. So maybe he off his medication. I don't know, bro. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel, bro. This one's tricky.
Here. Hey, stop! Stop right now! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop it!
Yeah, bro. I don't know. I still feel like he should have tased him. He coming down the stairs. He already was off balance. That's what it seemed to me. But I mean, the knife is a lethal weapon. So say that taser don't work and he got that adrenaline pumping and running through him, and it don't work, he can still get him with that knife. So, but I don't know, bro. I don't know. Like I said, man, that's hard. That's hard. But at the same time, man, I can't even have no sympathy for him, bro. But, hold on, we got to go back. He said he had some type of episode.
He has tried to stab me with a knife. My little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife.
Oh, that's his little brother. Oh, okay.
Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife.
A humanic episode. A manic... Something manic episode. So I'm assuming that has something to do with, you know, some sort of mental disability or something that he might have going on. If that's the case, then they shouldn't have shot him. But if he ain't got no mental disabilities or nothing going on, and he's stupid, bro, he deserved that. 100%.